Get his picture. Georgia taking a picture of the hawk. He's been sitting there a little while. Anastasia State Park and the hawk welcomes you. Georgia, get close and get a selfie. That'd be awesome. Okay, turn slow. Oh, he's looking at you. That was cool, Georgia.
That scared me. I flipped.
I've never, Georgia.
There now. That's where he dove down.
Georgia. In the wild, I've never been that close to a hawk before.
I haven't either.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yes, I got a video of him flying away.
That's pretty awesome. That's pretty good. What do you think?
Like this.
Was that exciting?
Cool.
That was pretty neat. There's the birds here. Georgia, the birds on Anastasia are so cool, aren't
We
they?
just saw a woodpecker. It was kind of skittish though. It like flew away.
Well, remember the sandpipers and everything else were so cool here.
Is that a lizard?
You got there? Show me.
I don't know what it is.
Crab leg.
Little crab leg or
It's a
something? Hold on.
crab leg.
You gotta get it to where it focuses. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Turn it the other way.
That's neat. All right, cool.
I was hoping the crab would jump out and get you. Colin said it was pulling on the stick. It was pulling on the stick, I think. Leave it alone. I'm not gonna
You really
poke
think
it.
there was a crab down in the hole?
I'm a scaredy cat.
There's totally a crab down in that hole.
Can you see it?
No. No, don't stick that down there. Get one that's like a little... No, don't do that. Get one of those little pieces right there that's like a little grass.
Give me that. You do it, Dad.
Tear the piece that's the grass off there.
It's deeper than it looks. She'll get pinched. It'll jump out and pinch her.
It's not gonna pinch her. Okay, throw that other part away. Stick it down in there. Tickle it out, Holland.
This is too short. Look at the
Little bird footprints.
footprint.
That is a teensy little bird footprint. They're everywhere down here.
I'm gonna draw a Pikachu.